So you can see we got the combs. You got the little comb on the bottom. You can comb your hair once you are ready to go. This is the medium because I'm not gonna cut it really short. You just run it through machine on the comb and run it through. And because it's going up, it will blend your hair easy and you won't have lines. So all you do is run it through and it will go from shorter to longer. So it's definitely an easy way to combine your fade with the short part with the long part. So, and then you have small, medium, and large. This is medium because I'm not cutting the hair really tight. It's really close to the top. I'm just trying to match transition from short to long, and this is helping by close to the skin all the way up. This is the small one, this is the medium one, and if you see, it's deeper. So now, after I use the medium one, I will use the small one. It will get it shorter to the top. So it's a very convenient comb to have. You have a little comb that you can comb your hair so you can see where you're cutting and how good is blending. So this is an amazing tool to have. Let's use the little one so you can see it. All you do is pull, the same thing. See here, push it in, then you're ready to go. Get your machine, then closer to where the line is, where you want to match, and then you see the line is disappearing. So see right here, there's no line anymore. It's blending really good. So definitely recommend them. Just go from large, extra large to small, and that will make the transition a lot better. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching. Result is the final result. The combs nice and faded away.